Can I help you?
Just trying to get this bag open.
What is this? Gypsy magic.
When Don Halpern had his stuff stolen on vacation, he became obsessed with creating the toughest, most theft-resistant bags the world has ever seen. Some people say that our bags are overkill and that we must be overcompensating for something. Maybe.
So this is a knife-proof backpack. A while ago we did a video where we did a bunch of tests with some cut-proof gloves. This company, LocTote, they saw that video and they had a stronger material that they want us to test. So those gloves that we tested, those were a level 4 cut-proof material. This supposedly is a level 9.
It feels like I'm cutting with the most dull blade in the world, and I swear it's not. It cuts wood.
It's like a brand new razor blade. Like you can see tiny lines, but I can't see anything that it's actually cut. You know what we're gonna have to make in order to cut this bag?
I think we're gonna have to bust out some of the hardest metal we have here. The adamantium.
Adamantium, there it is. This is some leftover adamantium we had from a previous job. That's the real deal.
I mean, this is a rare alloy, but I'm 99.9% sure that's pure adamantium.
This has to be the coolest thing we've ever made in this shop.
Shink, 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 shink.
Look at that! Do you feel like Wolverine?
A little bit.
Do you think the bag can handle it?
Only one way to find out.
But we need to make this a real world situation, so I'm gonna be using this backpack. I'll be carrying my money, because that's how I carry my money around. And then you're going to try and
slash it off your back.
And I'm gonna stick my loot in this RFID pouch so that those wizard thieves can't get it either. And now I'm gonna go for a stroll. I legit thought you were gonna like remove one of my kidneys accidentally with that. Were you able to get at my loot?
No.
Did you just give up out of frustration?
Yes.
And that is why you need this bag. You can see a couple lines, but you wipe it off and...
Yep, those are Wolverine spaced.
If Wolverine resorted to petty crime, you'd be safe with this bag. The Wolverine claws have given up. The next test, situation, you are out in the wilderness, your car gets stuck.
Got it.
You gotta tow it out, but you don't have a tow strap. Can you use your LocTote bag to tow your car out?
If it's the flak knit too, I think you could.
First you tighten up your bag, and then this bag comes with a padlock so you can lock it up around that. Use the padlock, lock the bag around your Humvee, and then we'll use the shoulder straps to wrap it around another car
and tow them out.
It's working! It's working!
It's working! It's working!
I think you just rescued me from like a mud pit. Open it up and let's see if the loot is still safe inside. It's forever safe. No one will ever get it out. Pulling a car may have cinched it up a little tight. There we go. And it's still safe against all the wizards?
Stupid electronic wizards. Still safe.
Next hypothetical situation. You're walking down the street and somebody rolls out an air cannon and they aim it at you and they shoot a stainless steel slug. Hits you in the back. Will this backpack save your life? Mitchell chickened out to be the stand-in for this test, so we're gonna prop it up on a pallet. Air cannon is all charged. We've got the stainless steel slug loaded in. We've got the barrel like 1.5 feet away just so we don't accidentally kill somebody. Ready when you are. What the heck?
So we've got an entry wound here.
And can you find the bullet?
Exit wound.
Did it hit the pennies though? Is the loot safe?
It went just above the pennies.
But you'd be dead. Or just, you'd be without a spine?
Yeah, it would have gone through your spine too, I'm pretty sure.
So the perp has shot a hole through your bag. Are you able to get into the bag still?
Pretty tough.
Are you even trying?
Well, yeah.
I didn't hear like a single stitch pop or anything.
I think I'd just go in that way.
Oh yeah, we forgot to lock it, so. So this bag is knife proof. You can tow your car with it. It's not bulletproof, but now it's time to find out if this bag is Waterjet proof. Seriously, so far this bag has performed so much better than I thought it would.
Bite proof.
This is the Flak Sack 2. This is their second revision of this bag, and it is quite incredible.
So what thieves can do is they get like a razor blade, and then while you're walking down the street wearing your bag with all your goodies in here,
Your pennies.
they cut the bottom and then have another sack beneath it to catch whatever falls out and see if they scored big. This would definitely protect against that. If anyone wanted to get in here, you would notice with the amount of effort it would take to get into it.
You would notice them firing up an air cannon behind you or something?
Yeah, and then you'd feel it once it hits your back, so you can turn around and say, I don't think so.
It's impossible to make anything that is cut proof or knife proof. What they've done here is they've just made it incredibly hard to get into so that thieves will hopefully give up, or somebody will notice them pulling out, you know, some shop tools to get into it.
They'll steal stuff from the guy that's got one of those regular idiot backpacks.
What a moron. LocTote has been kind enough to give us 2 other bags, not that one. 2 other bags that we can give away. One to you guys, our viewers, and the other one will be going to our Patreon supporters. We'll have more details on that after we cut into this bag. Does not look like this bag is Waterjet proof. Nope. No.
I didn't expect it to be this well made inside.
And this strap up here, this is the strap used to lock it to stuff. Right there you can see 2 steel cables that run through the strap, so if all they've got is a knife, there's no way they could even cut that off. They thought of everything. It's even got like a velvety plush interior
To protect your electronics and whatnot.
your pennies. That right there, that's the RFID blocking material. Thanks again to LocTote for sponsoring this video, for giving us a bag to cut up. We have a link down in the description for the giveaway here on YouTube, and then any of our Patreon supporters, you guys are going to be submitted for that giveaway as well. And we should give away the Wolverine claws.
You might not want it now, but
Maybe that makes them want it more.
we'll have 1 winner or 2 winners on Patreon.
We'll have,
1 for the claws and 1 for the bag.
yeah. So 2 giveaways on Patreon. 1 for the Wolverine claws and 1 for the LocTote bag. If you travel a lot or live in a shady part of town, you're probably gonna want one of these.
You talking about the Wolverine claws?
The bag and the claws, probably both.
I don't think this would be that great for traveling. They wouldn't get past TSA.